This face came out better than when I've tried some drugstore products in the past. I'm just saying. So if you guys watch my haul video, you know that I said I'm going to put all of that makeup to test on this face. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. If you want to see how it turns out, then of course, stay tuned. So the first things first, we're going to do our brows. And I'm going to be using the Slim Brow Pencil from the AOA Studio. And it's only $1 and it comes with the brush at the back, which I absolutely love. And then it has that nice point. So I've been using this pencil and I actually really, really like it. I tried to get some more, but it was all sold out. So I'm going to stock up on them when they come back in stock, because honestly, for $1, I feel like it gave me the exact same look as my other $30-something pencil. And it has the spoolie at the end, which a lot of expensive pencils don't even have this. The shade that I got is dark brown. And as I always say, guys, anything that I forget to say, just check my description box. Most likely I'll write it down there, shades or whatever, or link it. But yes, so I'm going to do one of these brows probably on camera, and then the next one will come off because my brows are like, it's work. I just want to show you. You see how sharp? You see how... Like, I just love this pencil. Oh, I forgot I have this AOA Studio mirror. So I'm just going to go ahead and conceal underneath. This is to sharpen it up. Alright, so one of the things I couldn't wait to use was this Pawpaw sponge. This is the pink one. Oh my gosh, it feels like heaven. It just feels so good. So we're going to blend this out now. Just get a feel for the sponge. Which feels like heaven on my skin. It's so soft. So soft. I know I look super crazy right now. And do you guys see how bomb these brows look? Like, seriously, they look just as good as when I use my other pencils, my more expensive pencils. And I'm just gonna put a little bit of lip oil, because I can't be on here looking crazy now. So we're going to use the eyeshadow palette next. And that's what it looks like. We're just going to do a quick little something with this. I'm going to go in with this color here. I'm just going to blend that into the crease area. It's building up nicely. Not too bad, not too bad. So I'm just going to go in with that light color and put that on the lid. Hopefully it shows up. The darker color in the middle here kind of looks chalky, but let's hope it's not too bad. Yeah. I'm probably going to have to build this up, or try to build it up a lot more. It's not the best. It's not the most pigmented shade, so I don't know. I'm going to try and build it up as much as possible. But it's $1, okay? So we can't be mad at it because there is pigment. You know, it's showing up. I do want to deepen up my crease, but I don't want to use another shadow. So honestly, this is just going to be a full face of Miss H. This is what it is. I'm just going to like put a little wing on my lids. I'm trying to give you guys, you know, the full 100. You guys can judge for yourself and see, you know, what we're working with. There is a lot of fallout from the palette, but the shades, considering I didn't use an eye primer, they're showing up. So let me just do my liner. So now for my favorite part, you guys know, is the foundation and concealer. So I have this foundation, which is a satin buildable foundation. Well, this one is AOA Studios, but it's a satin foundation. And then I have the other AOA Pro Wear foundation, which I think this one is full cover. Yeah, so Pro Wear foundation, and this one is full coverage. I have to mix these because this one is obviously looking a little too dark for me, and this is too light. So we're gonna do a little mixy mix and see what we get. I'm so excited to do this. I'm so excited to try it out. But anyways, let me concentrate. Be a little bit of a mixologist today. That's what I got. I feel like that looks good. What I put on my hand dried down so quick, so I'm gonna try and work with this real quick. How's that looking? How's that looking? And I am using this blending sponge, so of course that's going to share out some of the foundation. I'm not going to get a full coverage, and that's okay with me. So yeah, that was not bad at all, actually. Now let's move on. So for the concealer, I have this liquid concealer. It's in Soft Tan. It's from the Papa collection. I don't know if it's full coverage or not right now, but we're gonna put that on. Obviously this is not the best applicator. All right, so I'm gonna let it sit a bit to set. I didn't get a bronzer from ShopmissA, so I'm just gonna bronze with my LYS bronzer while it's setting. This is also affordable, in case you didn't know. I mean, it's not $1, but it's affordable. And now we're gonna go and start to blend out. Ooh, okay, so a little of this concealer goes a long way. As you can see, I probably have too much. So don't do like me. A little of this concealer goes a long way. Damn. I like the shade that I got too. So Soft Tan, if you are similar in shade to me, it's gonna be pretty good. But I use way too much concealer, man. Like, this is crazy. Why do I always have to do this? Don't do this. So that blended out really nicely. I mean, I did not see any difference or feel like it was cheap or anything. It's not pulling on under my eyes. So that's nice. The concealer is definitely nice and creamy. I'm going to set it with my Laura Mercier because that's what I got. I have this Lumi Radiant Blush, and this is in Rose Dawn. So it kind of looks like a blush highlighter combo-ish. Ooh, okay. That's different. It's kind of like a blush highlighter in one, is what I'm getting. I don't know. Yeah, I mean, it looks kind of pretty. For highlight purposes, it's really pretty. The blush is not showing up too much, but it's actually kind of nice. So I have these lashes that also came from Miss A. We're gonna put these ones on today. They are called Chloe. I have this AOA Studio lash applicator that I also got from them, so I'm going to be using this. I put on the lashes. Honestly, it was such a struggle. I think I need like some new lash glue. So if it doesn't look as good as it should, don't judge me. Okay, I was struggling. Put some of the blush in my inner tear ducts, and I really like it. And I also put some under my brow bone. I think it's so pretty. I don't know if it's gonna clash with the makeup look, but I do want to try it on. I do want to show you guys how it looks. So this is the Wonder Matte lipstick, and the color is, I think it's Fierce. Look how pigmented that is. Wow, this is super bright. Okay, so this is super bright. When I was doing the eye look, I was like, oh yeah, we're channeling fall, but now I just went right back to summer. What do you guys think? I like it. I don't know, maybe I can do some liner to kind of deepen it up. But this is it. I'm just showing you guys how it looks without the liner. Yeah, it feels pretty sticky. I don't know, maybe it has to dry first, but so I'm just going to use my NYX pencil and cappuccino and kind of line it up, and hopefully it looks good. So it's a little bit patchy, the lipstick, so you probably have to put on more layers, but I'm gonna fix it up and then come back. So that was my attempt at trying to make it look more fall appropriate, but the pencil was hard to work with on top of the lipstick, so I don't know, maybe next time I'll try to do it first. So it feels really sticky on my lips. Actually, it is only $1 and the color is pretty, so yeah, I'm not complaining too much. Yes, this is the look. Yeah, so I'm actually not mad at this look. It came out a lot better than I expected it to come out. So let me know what you guys think. Of course, I want to know what your thoughts are. This sponge is actually really nice to work with. So I'm going to have to get some more along with the brow pencil, because my brow pencil, this brow pencil, I'm not going to ever buy another expensive brow pencil. Like seriously, unless it's like new and I want to try it. But I don't need another brow pencil. This did everything for me and more for $1. This is the final look. So yeah, I had so much fun doing this. So I'm actually pleasantly surprised at how the makeup came out. I really do like it. I want to hear what you guys have to say. Leave your thoughts down below. Thanks again for watching this video and being here with me. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe if you haven't already. And of course, I will see you in my next video. Bye.